Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got a nice casual watch face for you all to check out. Now you can either dress down in this one or you could dress super casual, depending on what you're doing and how you're dressing for that day. This is not a bad look at all. Now the name of the watch face is called Duality. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice simple digital time. And when the watch face is on, I do like how the design really makes this watch face pop so far as the information is concerned. Now up at the top, you are going to get your heart rate information. You come down, you get your step status and also your battery info. Now to the right of that, you are going to get a digital time, which is going to be in 24 hours and 12 hours, depending on the format you have set on your phone. Now you will get the day of the week, and right up under the digital time, you'll get your date. So I thought this was definitely a good look, and it is interactive. So if I tap on, of course, the heart rate, I could go into that. Same thing with my steps. And also my battery life. So again, this is not bad, and then it gives you shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch, like you can go into your messages, your settings with a single tap. Same thing with your weather. You can go in with a single tap as well. And also he gives you an alarm. Now if you want to set the color thing, single tap down at the bottom, and you got several that you can choose from in order to customize this to whatever it is that you're wearing for that day. So again, this is not a bad look, I thought, for the price. But again, it is all up to you. You let me know if this was worth the download or not. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.